This header was designed specifically for the 2020 Farm Show Edition 8250 Case IH. Why, you might ask? Well, I've got 4 of these in a harvest crew and I wanted a 45-foot draper to go on them. If you're using this specific type of combine, look at this lip right here at the front of the feeder house. On this feeder house, there's going to be a little bit of plastic here that is designed into this feeder house to give it realistic detail. You'll need to cut some of this away, about almost 1/8 of an inch. You'll simply cut down the feeder house and then kind of notch it out with your knife. That way this lip right here on the header will catch that lip on the feeder house and it will stay put. Like so. To make this header fit the IDL 9, you will need to add something to the feeder house so the header can catch. For example, you could use a piece of 3/32 brass tubing or styrene tubing or something narrower. It could be a piece of bar, anything that will create a lip, so to speak, for this header to catch. An S790 would also need the same treatment. We would have to create something for this header to catch. Again, plastic, brass, even filing a groove in the feeder house since it is plastic could be created for that header to catch. If you like this video, share it with a friend. Also, subscribe to Diecast Lab. That's the best way you can support my channel and support everything that goes on with Rockin H. I'll lead you by the hand, step by step, with video tutorials, white papers, and other downloads that will teach you everything I know, even how to turn your hobby into a profitable business. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.